It's Jackson again. Thank you for staying with me. This is the 4th R and I'm about to share with you. We learn about the 3rd R is called release. Release so that you have new space, your extra time and extra money, extra energy. So when you release bad habits, when you release unimportant activities, you can then refuel with something new. What is something new? Anything that brings you joy, anything that brings happiness to you, brings you wealth, brings you something good, some benefits, you start doing, like cycling, like exercise your body, sleep early, put some money into investment instead of spending all your money. Spend time with your family instead of watching too much television. Bring your family for holiday instead of burning your money in the lottery. So you can do a lot of new activities that you did not do before. And now you have something new, and I call it replace. So the 4th R is replacing. Replacing the things that you have released. You replace with something new because these are the new habits, the new activities that is purposeful and meaningful. And you know when you perform these activities like jogging, cycling, walking, your health will improve. You save some money, you invest your money in the right places, your wealth will grow. You spend time talking to someone, having coffee with someone, having lunch with your family members, you are now building a better relationship. You read books, you go for training, you go for one more diploma, one more certificate, one more degree, one more master degree. You know now you improve your competency as an employee. You help people in the flood, you help the victims, you help the society, you are improving your social contribution. These are the extra time, extra money, extra space that you have when you release the things that is already meaningless. So the 4th R is a very, very important area because you have extra time in 24 hours. You have extra money with the same income, but now you have extra money because you do not spend anymore in the wrong places. Your money do not go into gambling anymore. Your money do not go into supper anymore. Your money do not go into shopping the unnecessary items anymore. You have extra. Very importantly, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we want to have. And you can actually replace a lot of things because what we like to say is I cannot. Now, what is another area that I like to share with you? It's called procrastination. Although I share with you the 4R formula, actually in total there are 7 R. And I would like to invite you to join my Masterpiece Intensive Program where I go deep into 7 R's. So today I have shared with you the 4R, but there is another 3R to cover in my Masterpiece Mindset Intensive Program. Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm gonna bring you to the next interesting topic. Why are people feel very, very difficult to achieve their goals? One big answer is procrastination. Procrastination is delaying the right actions that we're supposed to be taking, but we delay it because of something, because of the reasons and because of the excuses that we're giving. In the next video, I will share with you the common excuses why people delay to achieve their goals. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next video.